This is a short video on how to diagnose and repair a single fluorescent light. Switch on, nothing. Now we have to determine what's wrong. Make sure it's plugged in actually. And first we try a new starter. Most of the time it's a new starter, especially these starters you can't see the flash. Okay. On, nothing. Now, next thing to do is to test your bulb. It's a very easy way to do this. It has regular filaments, just like any other kind of bulb. They work differently, but they still have regular filaments. And you set your machine, your multimeter up to ohms, and you measure across the two terminals. It's got open circuit. Open circuit means it's no good. We just happen to have another lamp here, and do the same with that. This is supposed to be a good one. So we got about 5 ohms. Supposed to be just a light. So you're getting something. It's not a short, and it's not open. Before we go any further, we have to. I'm thinking that the ballast, because the bulb is completely blown, I'm thinking the ballast the ballast transformer is probably defective. So what we'll do next is, before we blow another bulb, we'll check the ballast transformer. It's a 2-wire ballast because it's only one bulb. Okay. Got about 1.5 ohms, which is not good. So if you was to if I had placed another bulb in there in the circuit, I'll get a bright flash and we'll burn the bulb out. So what we'll do, we know that the resistance on this ballast is way too low. So if you can consider it a short. Bought a new ballast. That right here doesn't look the same, but it is the same. It's for 15 to 20 watt bulb. And here we go again. Now we'll check the resistance on this one. This new ballast resistance reads 30 ohms. And that's about what you should get for a single lamp ballast. Let's put it back together now using the new stuff. Okay, so not so easy in them. One wire goes to the switch and the other wire goes to the socket. It only has one wire in it. It looks like it's better, got a better tip. So the other wire now has to go to the source. A little bit dark here, but I'm just putting two wires together so I can get the nut started. But I'm having a little trouble. The wire looks like it's just a little bit too short to work with. I'll take it out like this to get a better look at it. You can see a little better now. One from the back, from the ballast. The other wire from the ballast goes to this the other side of the line. One goes directly to the line, and the other one goes to the switch, to the jack, to the plug, to the socket. Okay, the ballast comes in here. See, this is the wire, the line. One wire from the line goes to the switch, to the left socket. The other side of the switch goes to the other side of the switch goes to the other side of the socket. Sorry about that. The other side of the line goes to the ballast, to the right socket, and then the starter is hooked up between the right and left socket. That's how it's supposed to work. I hope you're getting this, because the whole idea here is to show you that if you end up with a bad ballast, you blow every single bulb you put in. One bright flash, and I learned that the hard way. Let's see through it. Some people don't have to stop the video and do this. It's kind of work. I'll start it again, but I'm doing it one time. There's my hole, where's my hole? Okay, looks good. This is the bad one. This is the good one. Plug it back in. Okay, new ballast. Put a new starter too. I don't know if the light is, if the switch is on or off. It's on. Voila. That's what it's supposed to do. And then we're flashing a couple of times. First it's a preheat, you know. Well, anyway, that's how it's done. Remember, a single ballast like this should have about 30 ohms resistance, DC resistance. And the tube on the ends, the filament ends, should read anywhere from 5 to 10 ohms. And if it's open, well, it's burnt, and you hardly ever see them shorted. The starter really don't go bad too often. Sometimes the contacts get stuck on there, and when you put your meter across it, like so, you'll get a short. But it's not too common. And then you just change the starter. It's all a couple of dollars for everything here. Okay, hope it helps you. Bye.